How to lock Messages app on iPhone with Face ID. On the home screen, locate the Messages app icon. Touch and hold the Messages icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. From the menu that pops up, tap Require Face ID. A brief confirmation appears at the top, indicating the app now requires Face ID. Now tap the Messages app to test the lock. The Face ID animation appears, showing that authentication is needed to proceed. Hold the phone naturally so Face ID can scan your face. After a successful scan, Messages opens as usual. This simple lock helps keep your conversations private without changing other settings on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily lock the Messages app on iPhone with Face ID. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.